Love R, but typically you don't need it to become a data analyst. It is a great programming language for all things statistics and data analytics, but it's not necessary to land your first data job. That same data report that I made a video on previously, it has R at 19% listed on jobs, which basically means 1 out of 5 data analytics jobs will require R on the job description. I love R, and I think you should eventually learn it, but you definitely don't need it for your first data job. Learning Excel, learning SQL, learning Power BI will just be a lot quicker of a process to get your foot in the door in the industry. And then you can learn Python or R once you're actually in that entry role. It's like super cool because if you think about it, you're actually getting paid to learn R or you're getting paid to learn Python. I'm all about trying to figure out how companies can pay me to learn new skills so that I can get a raise from them or leave them and get a higher pay somewhere else of difference. Before you go learning R, learning Python, some 24-week boot camp or course or something, don't do it. Just Excel, SQL, Tableau. That's a good enough start.